Welcome to the International University Fair Europe. This video will show you how to use the platform to interact with universities from around the world easily. It works best on Google Chrome, so we recommend using that for the best experience on the event day. To get started, go to the event landing page. There, you will find information about the participating universities and their details. Click the Register Now button and fill in the required information to register. After registering, click Go to Event and log in using your email address and the OTP one-time password sent to your email. The first time you log in, complete the onboarding form. This will help universities interact with you more effectively. Once you're logged in, you will see the University Info tab. It contains details about each institution, such as popular programs, website links, and social media links. You can search for universities based on the program you're interested in using the filter option. Click on the university booth to chat with their representatives, watch virtual tour videos, and download files and brochures. On the event day, you can also directly visit the university's virtual room from the University Info tab. Next, the Virtual Lobby tab. This tab has virtual booths for all the participating institutions. Once the university room is live, you will be able to enter the room by clicking on the Enter button and interact with their representative. We recommend that you reload the page on your browser if you aren't able to enter the rooms. You can chat with them using the chat box or raise your hand to request a face-to-face chat. The event will start with different universities giving presentations in different rooms. Please check the student guide to find out which presentation room the institution you're interested in. The People tab shows all the university representatives, allowing you to have one-on-one chats with them and ask specific questions about their universities or programs. We have attached the student guide on the platform, which contains the presentation schedule, a list of universities, and other resources. Please use it to navigate the event and make the most of your time. Finally, the Edit Profile section allows you to customize your profile. You can upload a profile picture, add a bio, and select the programs you're interested in. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use the platform. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a fantastic experience at the International University Fair Europe.